up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another video. Today I am about to bleach these roots, touch up these roots of mine, and then I'm going to be dyeing my hair with not a dye but like a DIY dye, so definitely stay tuned for that. Right now I'm putting some Vaseline all over my hair, and my hair is pre-sectioned. I did go ahead and comb my hair out really good, and this is like on a week-old hair. I do advise that you do bleach your hair on like a week-old hair, just, you know, to get all those natural oils and oils build up and stuff. Just don't be putting grease and, you know, edge controls on your edges. Try to be as natural as possible before you bleach your hair. Yeah, so that's tip number 1 and tip number 2. Tip number 1 was to pre-section your hair, and then tip number 2 was to bleach your roots or your hair with a week-old hair. Now right here, I put 3 of those capfuls in there. It did not have a measuring thing on it, which was weird, but I ended up using 3 of those, and then I'm using some 40 developer. You don't have to use 40 because it does process really quick. You can use like 30 or 20, but I always use 40 just because I like the color that it gives me. So yeah, once you have that in like a smooth and creamy consistency kind of, you know, paste or whatever, not a paste, but you want it smooth and creamy, you're gonna go ahead with your dye brush and put it all over your roots. Tip number 3, try not to get the bleach on the hair that's already been bleached, because you will get like these stringy look in your hair, because I already have it in the back. But do get that black, get all of those black hairs. Like if a little bit of bleach goes on the already processed hair, that's fine. Just, you know, don't bleach the already bleached hair, because that's not gonna be good. Learn from my mistakes, y'all. That's what I'm here for y'all to learn, okay? So listen. I'm rubbing that bleach all through my scalp to make sure that I don't have no missed patches. And onto my next section, I'm starting off with the perimeter of that section, just to, you know, for the bleach to get saturated through there already. See, I have some black spots in the back, so I'm going in and I'm putting some bleach on the back. Tip number 4 would definitely be to have a mirror, a tall mirror in the back. I use my camera that I'm recording with, and these flip mirrors that I'm working with, and some really good lighting. Lighting is very important so you can see what you're doing. If not, have you somebody that can help you touch up those dark spots in the back. Each time you move on to a section, you want to look through your hair and rub through your hair and make sure that you are putting more bleach on the patches that are dark in the back, because you don't want them like patches, like that's tacky. So yeah, I'm just working that bleach through the hair real fast. You do want to move quickly, because as you can see, like I already have a lot of spots that's getting light really quickly. I hope that we all know what tip number 5 is. It really should have been tip number 1. Start with your edges last. You don't want to start from the front to the back, because then the front gonna be lighter than the back. You want the back lighter than the front. Like, you want all the mistakes or whatever that might occur in the back. So yeah, we're going with the edges in the front of my hair, and I'm making sure that I'm doing my middle part, both of those sides. I'm bleaching them at the same time, because that is where I do my middle part. You know, I don't play about my middle part. So yeah, I'm going from left to right, and I'm working my way all the way through that hair, and I'm making sure to put bleach on every strand, because this is the front, y'all. And bow, this is what it's looking like when I washed it out. No products in my hair, okay? The products that I did wash my hair out will be listed in the description box below, so do check that out if you want to know what I use. And boom, those curls are still intact. It don't look damaged. It's looking real good, okay? And it was super soft and moisturized. Like, it really, I mean, it was dry, but it wasn't dry, okay? So yeah, going in with some fresh gloves, I'm about to start my deep conditioner. And right here I have 2 tablespoons of that beet powder, that Dr. Miracle's deep conditioner, and 2 tablespoons of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of sea moss. Y'all, I'm going to be showing y'all that in a minute because I end up putting some more in it. Now, y'all, this was really unexpected. I didn't know, like, the beetroot and the turmeric was going to change my hair, because as you could look at my face right here, like, I was totally confused why my hair was turning pink. Look at me. But then I was like, fuck it. I'm going to put a lot of that shit on because I wanted my hair to be pink anyways right before this video. This is what y'all don't know. So yeah, I was going in with that deep conditioner. I damn near forgot it was deep conditioner. I thought it was pink dye. So that's why I ended up making some more. I put some of this curling cream, coconut curling cream in there. And then I put that sea moss and some more of that turmeric powder. And girl, I went ham. I put that all over my scalp. And watch what it do, how it do. Okay, this is what it's looking like. I make sure I put it all over my edges because I wanted my edges to be pink. Going in with some hot oil, I am pouring that all over my hair, on my ends, all over my edges, and rubbing it all through my scalp. Oh, y'all, don't mind me. I got some, I got something on my face. Oh, I just peeped that. Anyways. So, yeah, I'm just putting that hot oil all over my scalp. And, y'all, when I tell y'all, it feels so good. I put that oil in the microwave for like a minute, a whole minute. And then I deep conditioned my hair and let that oil cool down. So, it wasn't too hot, but it was still like a nice temperature. I'm going in with some plastic saran wrap, and I'm wrapping my hair up. And when I tell y'all, I was struggling. I was trying to swing my head in different directions, trying to get that thing on. But I did this to keep the heat in my hair, so all that good conditioners and colors and oils get into my hairs and into the strands, into my scalp, promote some growth and thickness, all of that. Then I put a towel on that, so I wasn't playing with this hair. Now, this is the next morning. I did let that sit in my hair for a whole night. And when I tell you that, it looks so good. Look at my hair. Look at that color. It's so vibrant. And then, like, the color that it did give me, I was expecting pink, but I wasn't mad at this color. I'm not going to lie. Because look at them patches. Like, them patches is gone. Like, that color looked really good. And you can lie, it's so vibrant and pretty. Like, it's really a vibrant yellow hair color. I have never seen nobody with this hair color, y'all. Y'all definitely have to give this a try and let me know how it go in the comments below. Now, this is just a little bonus clip that I'm giving y'all. I am styling my hair for y'all. This is the same day after I wash my hair. I just let it air dry. And I'm picking out some curls. I left 2 little curls in the front, and I'm leaving out some curls. Well, ain't nothing little about me. I left out 2 big curls in the front and 2 in the back, baby, okay? And then I'm wrapping my hair up in a ponytail, and I'm clipping it with a claw clip. Them cute little claw clip ponytail hairstyles. Them have always been so cute to me, so. Yeah, your girl been doing that since middle school. Don't play with me. This is such a cute, easy hairstyle. I really didn't have to do much. Like, I did this within 10 minutes, literally. I just washed my hair, let it air dry, boob out, brushed it back. And I'm doing a little bit of edges. It's up to you if you want to do it sleek or not, And this is the final look. I cannot get over how that color turned out in my hair. It looks like I really dyed my hair yellow. Like, definitely give this a try out. That was turmeric, y'all. Like, who knew turmeric would actually dye your hair? It makes me almost want to put more beetroot powder in it next time so it'd be pink. But yeah, definitely comment down below and tell me how you like this hair. I love it so much. It's only been 2 days and I've received so many compliments. People ask me to do their hair like wet. But all right, babe, see you next time.